Hi everyone, and welcome to this very special episode of Aliens Explored. I'm Stu Jackson. I'm one of the hosts here, and right now it is Friday. It is, oh my goodness, it's a couple of minutes to midnight on Friday. So I'm currently running very low on batteries at the moment. I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning, working in London. Anyway, I managed to get back just after 10, and suddenly my phone starts going mad because, very excitingly, Tranche 5 of the PURSUE, that's the presidential unsealing of, oh gosh, whatever it is, it's UAP anyway. it's the UAP records. Oh, it really is late. I'm very, very tired. The fifth tranche has dropped. What I'm going to do, similar to what I did last time, is put all the videos into one channel, presented without comment here today. Now, Neil and I are due to record an episode on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, to be released on Friday. So we're going to have a good look at the records and the files and the videos and the photographs, all the information in Tranche 5 in detail. And we're going to be obviously taking that to pieces and giving you our breakdown of it and our thoughts about it. Then, if you're new to Aliens Explored, we're not one of those channels that when something new comes out, we react instantly. No, we like to take a beat, take a minute, really look at something, and then think about it, see how it feels, and then give you our considered opinion. We're not reactive like that, but I did want to get this video out today, presenting, like I say, all the videos. Obviously there is a lot more besides just videos in Tranche 5, but presenting all the videos. I think there's was it 15, 16 of the, I can't remember off the top of my head, but here they are, presented for you without comment. Make sure, do you know what, I'm really, you can probably tell how tired I am. Least you can do is like this video, so please do give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe to Aliens Explored as well, so that you get our analysis of Tranche 5 on Friday coming. You don't want to miss that. That's going to be very, very exciting. Neil and I, we'd like to get into it. So there we go. In the meantime, enjoy the videos of Tranche 5 to the haunting sounds of Searching for Monsters by Darren Mafucci. Enjoy and keep watching the skies.